लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
What's really in our everyday food? Are we eating healthy or just filling our stomachs?
Hello everyone, Namaste. We are Michaelians here to participate in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our discussion centered around the concept of vocal for local. Once we started researching, we found out that adulteration poses a significant threat to public health and safety.
But what do you mean by adulteration?
Adulteration has emerged as a pressing socio-economic concern in India, prevalent across a wide spectrum of products ranging from edible commodities to cosmetic items. The primary objective of this project is to illustrate and analyze the growing meanings of adulteration.
लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
Hello, I am Ratish Yadav from class 9. Adulteration in honey has become a very common practice. Honey is important for its antibacterial property and also important for healing wounds. So now I am going to show you how to distinguish between a pure honey and impure honey. So if the honey shows hexagon-like structure, then it is a pure honey. So here we cannot observe the honeycomb-like structure or hexagon-like structure, and that is why this one is impure honey. And if we see this one, so you can observe the honeycomb-like structure like this one, and that is why it is a pure honey. So in such a way we can check the purity of honey and can be beware of the adulteration that is happening nowadays.
Adulteration in tea leaves is a common practice where iron fillings or artificial coloring are added to its weight and appearance. In this activity, tea leaves are filtered using filter paper to remove impurities. The presence of dark residue or metallic particles indicates adulteration in tea.
What this is, or have you seen this before? You might be knowing this is a common spice used in Indian cuisine. You all know how we use these powders to add flavors in our food. But if they are impure, they can harm our health. So this question comes to my mind also. So for the purity test, we will take the red chili powder and we will see the purity of the red chili powder because it is crucial for our health and well-being. You can perform this simple test by mixing the water in red chili powder. To see if it completely dissolves in it. If the powder is adulterated, it may not dissolve and properly or may not present in the same color as before.
Hello everybody, I am Asta Japtani from class 9. It is noteworthy that milk distributed daily may also be subject to adulteration. Common adulterants include water, starch, sugar, urea and other chemicals which compromise its quality and safety. To detect starch adulteration in milk, I will perform an iodine test on 2 milk samples. Upon adding a few drops of iodine, we observe that a distinct color change in beaker A indicates the presence of starch, whereas beaker B remains unaffected. This suggests that milk in beaker A is adulterated, whereas sample B appears to be pure. This is beaker A, which changes its color on dropping iodine, and this is beaker B.
Hello everyone, myself the pH level test. Now we will take face wash 1 and on slide 1 and face wash on another side. Let's start with the pH level test now. We will take face wash 1 on slide 1 and face wash 2 on another slide. Dip the pH strip in both the slides and wait for few minutes. Now you will notice that the face wash 1 has pH around 7.5 and meanwhile the pH of face wash 2 is around 5, which is suitable for our skin. Therefore, face wash 1 has chemical and face wash 2 is healthy for our skin.